Welcome to Autofocus Review, where we bring you the most exciting and in-depth reviews of the latest cars in the Indian market. Today we have something truly special, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco. This is not just any van, it's the heartbeat of many Indian families and businesses. Whether you need a reliable family vehicle, a smart business investment, or a practical cargo carrier, the Eeco has always been a top choice. But does the 2025 model live up to its legendary status? Let's find out. Design: simplicity meets practicality. At first glance, the new Eeco looks familiar but with subtle refinements. The boxy design remains, ensuring maximum space inside. However, Maruti has added a fresh touch with a more modern front grille, sleeker headlights, and a slightly more aerodynamic body. The new dual-tone bumpers give it a stylish yet rugged look. Whether you're using it for personal or business purposes, the Eeco ensures you travel with confidence and class. Interior: space, comfort, and utility. Step inside and the first thing you notice is the vast space. Maruti knows its audience well, and the 2025 Eeco is built for practicality. The new model comes with improved seat cushioning, making long journeys more comfortable. The dashboard has a refreshed layout with a digital instrument cluster, a simple yet functional infotainment system, and improved storage spaces. The AC is now more powerful, ensuring passengers stay cool even in peak summers. If you opt for the cargo version, the flat loading bay provides unmatched convenience for businesses. Engine and performance: reliable as ever. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco continues to be powered by a 1.2 L K-series petrol engine, delivering around 80 horsepower. It's not a performance beast, but it is built for efficiency and reliability. Whether you are driving through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Eeco ensures a smooth ride. The CNG variant remains an excellent option for cost-conscious buyers, providing impressive mileage without sacrificing performance. The improved suspension setup makes bumpy roads feel less harsh, giving passengers a more comfortable ride. Mileage: light on your pocket. One of the biggest reasons people love the Eeco is its fuel efficiency. The petrol version delivers around 19 km/L, while the CNG variant takes efficiency to another level, offering nearly 26 km/kg. Whether you use it for daily commutes or long road trips, the Eeco ensures that fuel costs remain low, making it a practical choice for Indian roads. Safety: now more secure than ever. Maruti Suzuki has taken safety seriously with the 2025 Eeco. It comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and an improved crumple zone for better crash protection. While it may not have high-end features like ADAS, it ensures that every passenger travels with peace of mind. Why you should buy the 2025 Eeco? Budget-friendly, one of the most affordable 7-seater vans in India. Fuel-efficient, excellent mileage, especially with the CNG variant. Reliable engine, proven Maruti K-series engine with low maintenance costs. Practical space, spacious interior perfect for families and businesses. Trusted brand, Maruti Suzuki's legendary after-sales service and resale value. Final verdict: the perfect van for India. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco stays true to its roots, affordable, practical, and reliable. Whether you're a business owner looking for a cost-effective cargo carrier or a family searching for a budget-friendly 7-seater, the Eeco is a fantastic choice. It may not have fancy features, but it delivers where it matters the most. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autofocus Review. Let us know in the comments, would you buy the new Eeco? See you in the next review.